Tagalog-English translation. Nasa trabaho ako. Nasa trabaho ako. In English, I'm at work. I'm at work. Pare-pareho ba lahat yan? Pare-pareho ba lahat yan? In English, are they all the same? Are they all the same? Dapat bumawi tayo sa nasayang na oras. Dapat bumawi tayo sa nasayang na oras. In English, we should make up for lost time. We should make up for lost time. Bigyan mo ako ng halimbawa. Bigyan mo ako ng halimbawa. In English, give me an example. Give me an example. Walang tao roon. Walang tao roon. In English, there was nobody there. There was nobody there. Next. Marami ka bang ginagawa ngayon? Marami ka bang ginagawa ngayon? In English, are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Hindi yan ang sinabi mo dati. Hindi yan ang sinabi mo dati. In English, that's not what you said before. That's not what you said before. Wala akong gusto kahit sino sa kanila. Wala akong gusto kahit sino sa kanila. In English, I don't like any of them. I don't like any of them. May nakalimutan ka. May nakalimutan ka. In English, you forgot something. You forgot something. Next. Pwede mo yung ilagay kahit saan. Pwede mo yung ilagay kahit saan. In English, you can put it anywhere. You can put it anywhere. Itabi mo muna. Itabi mo muna. In English, set it aside. Or put it aside for now. Bibili ako ng bago. Bibili ako ng bago. In English, I'll buy a new one. I'll buy a new one. Nabawi ko na ang pera ko. Nabawi ko na ang pera ko. In English, I got my money back. I got my money back. Lumabas ka ba kagabi? Lumabas ka ba kagabi? In English, were you out last night? Were you out last night? Next. May naisip ako. May naisip ako. In English, I have an idea. I have an idea. Maghapon akong nasa labas. Maghapon akong nasa labas. In English, I was out all day. I was out all day. Ano kayang nangyari sa kanya? Ano kayang nangyari sa kanya? In English, I wonder what happened to him. I wonder what happened to him. Dito ko iniwan yun. Dito ko iniwan yun. In English, I left it here. I left it here. Nasa bahay kaya siya? Nasa bahay kaya siya? I wonder if he's at home. I wonder if he's at home. Next. May sorpresa ako sa'yo. May sorpresa ako sa'yo. In English, I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise for you. Naiisip kaya niya ako? Naiisip kaya niya ako? In English, I wonder if I ever cross his mind. I wonder if I ever cross his mind. Tumitingin-tingin lang ako. Tumitingin-tingin lang ako. In English, I'm just looking around. I'm just looking around. Bihira kami magkita. We rarely see each other. We rarely see each other. Madaling sabihin, mahirap gawin. Madaling sabihin, mahirap gawin. In English, easier said than done. Easier said than done.